All right, welcome into the channel, everyone. It's Michael Tharp EDU. It starts with you. I am bringing you guys what I think is going to be a 100x altcoin in the gambling space. So we are talking about BetSwirl at betswirl.com, transforming the future of GambleFi with Web3, casinos, sports, staking. They're already on 5 chains: Ethereum, Polygon, BNB, Avalanche, and Arbitrum. We go to their price. This is a year, guys. This is a year chart during the bear market. Look at what they were doing. They have basically been stable here. So people were using this protocol, okay? You can come to CoinMarketCap and look at their right here. You can see the contracts on each of these. So whatever blockchain you want to buy on, you can copy the addresses here. All right. Their market cap is 7 million, guys. That is so low. You want to get into projects right now as the bull run is just started. You want to get into projects that are under 50 million market cap if you want to make big, big money. That's the key. Okay. So basically, if this hits 100 million, that's almost a 20x. Okay. Maybe 18 or 19x. All right. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm doing. This has great utility. People have been using it even during the bear market. Once all this money comes into crypto, I think this is going to go up big time. So what I did is I am buying this on Avalanche. So I come here, copy the Avalanche address. I go to Trader Joe's, okay? I have a playable node. I sold some playable tokens to get some Avalanche, 17 of the Avalanche. So now I'm going to come here, click on playable. I already pasted this in, but I'll paste it again. That's the BetSwirl. Add it. Obviously, I don't want to do max, but let's do 15. All right, so I'm going to get 737,000 bets. So I'm going to hit swap. Now I'm using MetaMask right now because playable is I can only get on MetaMask, but normally I use Ravi. But anyways, okay. So we took our AVAX. We got that many bets. Now let's come back to let me explain to you why this protocol or website is absolutely amazing. Okay, let's open the DApp. All right, you guys probably can't hear this, but there's some cool sound in the background. This is just a simple dice game you can play, whatever. Okay. I really actually want to go to the staking. Okay. Well, okay, let me show you guys this. You can bet in here. Okay. I don't bet a lot, but you can bet on football, American football, ice hockey, boxing, basketball, rugby, cricket. You can go to esports and bet on esports, guys. CSGO, League of Legends, whatever. Okay. But what I want to focus on is the staking and getting paid. So I'm going to go to staking. So again, I've analyzed this before. I am staking with Avalanche. Okay. Number one, it's the highest APR. Number two, it has the highest. Does Arbitrum have more now? Oh, Arbitrum has more. Okay. Well, good for you guys. But I think I think Avalanche has a lot more room to go up during this bull market than Ethereum. So, and I like using Avalanche better instead of Arbitrum, which is up. So I'm going to click stake now. Stake. Actually have that amount in there now. So I'm going to do 7. $760,000. Approve bets. Successful. You can now stake. So we will stake bets. So I wanted to get about $1,000 in this. Okay, so I have $1,000 in it right now. Let's just wait a second to make sure this goes in. And then I'm going to show you guys, you know, where I'm planning on exiting and taking some profit. All right. So I got over 1 million bets now. 1,060,000. And again, guys, only 107 stakers here. Less than 500,000 locked in the stake pool. So let's look at this, guys. This has a market cap of 4.7 million. Okay, so let's just say 5 million. Let's call it a market cap of 5 million. How many times does 5 go into 100 million? Or just 100? 20, right? 20 times 5 is 100. So that means if this just hits a $100 million market cap, which isn't very much, okay, that's a 20x, okay? So you understand why you want to get into these projects early. Now let me show you why I'm even more bullish. You guys can go to their white paper. It's right on the main page. Go to docs, and you'll come here, go to staking. Again, you're getting native tokens from the chains you stake on as your reward, not their tokens. Your bets are not locked. The contract is audited. It's a fork of the Curve Finance staking contract. All fees collected by BetSwirl and Bets tokens are burned, not redistributed. This process gradually reduces the overall supply, making bets inherently deflationary, which may increase its value over time. That's huge. And then you can go to tokenomics. There's 7.7 billion will ever be supplied, but again, it's also deflationary. You can see they have the, different way it's locked up. That's not really important to us right now. The other cool thing, if you look at, is their roadmap. It started back in 2021, and they've been building this whole time during the bear market. And you can see here in 2024, they're going to have Swirlbot mainnet, promotions, synthetics v3 market, multiple bets, gasless wagering, a referral program, skilled game, metaverse integration, e-gaming license, and then eventually decentralized governance. So to me, this is just a huge no-brainer when you see that, I mean, they've been pretty solid during this whole bear market. We're in early. It's on multiple chains. It's betting, which people love to do. We're just at 1/10 of a penny. So, I'm looking at this going to at least $100 million market cap once people catch on and start using it. So again, guys, everything is always risky, but to me, this is worth it. You have to make your own decision. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some guy on the internet talking about magical cryptocurrencies. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Lace up. Let's get wealthy. Peace.